Dino Burrito for kids. It's fun to make for kids and it's also delicious to eat and healthy. This is a way to sneak some vegetables into your kids' food without them knowing. This is spinach and this is water from the spinach that's going to turn our dinosaur green. I've used activated charcoal to draw the dinosaur and the mouth and eyes. And now we're gonna spread all the spinach on here. I've got some homemade green tortillas. Again, they've been made with spinach. You can hide the spinach in there. That way you can get vegetables into the food without the kids knowing. This is a very standard burrito, lots of protein in here, cheese, beans, and ground beef. We're gonna roll this up until we've got one giant burrito, and this is gonna be the body of our dinosaur. Fit it into a bread loaf pan to hold its shape. And now we're gonna take the dinosaur and bake it off until it's nice and crispy. Make sure we get the tail incorporated here, and everything can go into the oven at once. You can find all of these products, all of these Chefclub products for kids on Amazon. The reviews speak for themselves. They're excellent, excellent products. Use your trusty Chefclub kids knife to make an incision and insert the body into the head here, and the tail is gonna go right in the back here. It's gonna just slide right in. And look how crispy we've got the tortilla here. So the body stands up. Now some guacamole right on the top, fresh made guacamole, a little bit of onions, garlic, and tomatoes and cilantro inside. You can omit the cilantro if you don't like it. Now we're gonna use Dorito chips to form the spikes and cut into this to see what we've got, a healthy, well